Mikael Medeiros is set to go down against Mason Johnson. I'm predicting a lovely war, a lovely fight, and I'm having a feeling that Mikael Medeiros might give a hard time to the Welsh prospect. And Medeiros having a record of 11, 1-1, 5'10", 69.5 inches of reach, fighting out of Colorado. A draw against Chris Padilla, and was better than Mark Chinsky, Austin Hubbard. He likes long wars. You also seen that against Landon Kinonish. Mason Jones is also a guy who prefers long wars, 5'10", 74 inches of reach. Fighting out of Glenavon, Wells. This fella defeated Axel Sola, Balaji Oki, Jeremy Stevens, Michael Pagani, Bryce Logan. He dominated Cage Warriors, and in his first UFC run, he lost to Ludovic Klein, Mike Davis, defeated David Onama. He was robbed against Alan Patrick, and I think Mason Jones has what it takes to win this fight. But I'm gonna say over 2.5. I see a long war coming here.